is going to look like a dollhouse by the end of the week. Our goal is to have 3 walls, the gable walls and the back wall up, and with this front open with the ridge beam in and our wind girt. So we've got today, Thursday and Friday to get that done, just the 2 of us, but I think we can make that happen. It'll be a pretty dramatic difference.
Yeah, really excited to see an XL version of our model that we've already built, and it already feels huge just sitting up here on this platform. It feels so much bigger than our model that we've already built. This is one that's about 4 feet longer, so it's a little under 450 square feet, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you got 14-foot tall ceilings and 9-foot walls, it feels huge on the inside. And looking around at a lot of the cabins over here in Plain, it's really not out of place in terms of its size.
Absolutely not. And with the pitch that we have on there too,
Yeah.
It's pretty steep. I think it's steeper than their house is.
Oh, yeah.
But it's sitting up off the ground a bit too. One of the cool things about the stanch is we didn't have to dig it in, and so this is level. Way back on the other side over there, it's not that far off the ground, but here you can see I got my arm on it. It's a good 4 feet off the ground. So it's quite the dance floor they had for last night, but that's gonna go away now. All right, so here we go. Woohoo! Good morning, and we're on our 2.5 weeks of this project. This is how far we are on the job. Ideally, we would have the roof on already by now, but we've been having some quality issues from our panel vendor as far as the A side and the B side. So one side is nice and sanded, and the other side is not so much sanded. And we want the A sides to face into the living areas and the B sides to face out. So on this panel, for example, you can see the exterior wall. It's kind of rough, but then on the interior, it's nice and smooth. Every now and then, we can get a run of panels that were flipped the wrong way. Luckily, we do have a cool vendor, though. They understand that their quality issues is slowing us down, so they will reimburse us for that time at least. But in the meantime, we're kind of stuck, spending hours sanding these panels down. We actually busted our belt sander yesterday. The thing totally just stopped working on us. I think maybe just too many hours. So my partner Jake ran out last night all the way home. It's about an 1.5-hour drive, and we got a new belt sander and is picking up a floor sander today because we know we have a few more panels that are like that. So we're going to throw a floor sander on this, and hopefully that'll go really fast and make the panels look super nice. And we can rock and roll, get the rest of the interior walls up and get the roof on this thing.